If you're looking for a quick and easy way to log out of X, formerly Twitter, on all devices, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign out of every active session so you can protect your account, keep your login secure, and make sure no one else stays signed in. This is especially useful if you've logged in on a public computer, shared a device with someone, or just want to reset your account access across all devices. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side navigation panel, look for the More option. This is the icon with the 3 dots. Click More to open the additional menu options. Once that menu appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps the main account, privacy, and security controls. After that, you'll need to find a section related to your account sessions. Depending on the version of the menu you see, this may be labeled Apps and Sessions or Security and Account Access. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different because the option you need is still in this area. Click into that section to continue. Now, look for Sessions. This is the page that shows all of your currently active logins and connected devices. You should be able to see where your account is signed in, which helps you confirm whether there are any devices you no longer recognize or want to remove. Click Sessions to view the list of active sessions. Once you're on the Sessions page, you'll see an option that says Log out all other sessions. This is the key step that signs your account out everywhere except the device you're currently using. Click Log out all other sessions to begin the process. X will usually ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and click Log out when prompted. After you confirm, all other devices, browsers, and active sessions should be signed out of your X account. That means if you were logged in anywhere else, those sessions will no longer have access. It's a fast and effective way to secure your account without changing your password unless you want to take that extra step for added protection. If you ever suspect unusual activity, this is one of the first things you should do. Logging out of all other devices can help protect your account immediately, especially if you've used X on shared or public systems. For even better security, consider changing your password afterward and turning on two-factor authentication. And that's it. You've now learned how to log out of X.com or Twitter on all devices in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.